Hello, this is a quick guide for Clio users who are going to use RingCentral CRM extension. Um, yeah, so first step is add the extension to your browser. So it supports Chrome and Microsoft Edge. Yeah, so and it's easy to find the extension as well. Just go to Chrome Web Store and search for RingCentral CRM extension. Now that it is added, log into your Clio account. So here I have a test account here, and you will see there's a quick access button here on the Clio page. Click that, or alternatively, you could ping and click the CRM extension icon on the top right of the browser. So firstly, sign into your RingCentral account. All right, so after a successful signing, that's basically you can use this extension as a phone. And next step is to also connect to Clio. So as long as you have your Clio account logged in on the browser, it will recognize your identity, and once you click authorize, it won't you won't really need to input your credentials again. You're just going to there's a pop-up screen, and you allow the access for essentially for this extension to um, operate under your Clio account. So now this is authorized. If we go to this is a call history, and for example, that's the name of one of the contacts here I created for testing purpose, and it's under this phone number. So we do have a standard format phone number in RingCentral, which is like if it's for US or for Canada, it's +1 and then followed by your number, and it's actually matching the contact's phone number with the contact's information here. So let's make a phone call to the test number here. Thank you for calling Ring Central. And you can type any notes, random or test note, and it will be a new record in your call history. And by clicking this is basically a call log button. If it's logged, it will be shown as a green dot there. If it's not, then it's red. So this one is the new one. Let's click it. And you've got a couple of call dispositions here you can choose. So the nodes we just input will appear here. And you can sync to matter if this contact is associated with any matter. For example, this one is associated with the, well, 00005 matter, but note that it's actually not having the four like the other one associated matter, but it can only look at the client's matter, so the main ones. Okay, so if I click, so here are, well, previous records here. If I click a save here, so it says call log edit, and let's refresh this page. So you see the one that I just added. It appears here. So with the note and the call result and some other information here, and also the recorded time. Okay, then there's one important thing for Clio is the number matching, meaning if there is any incoming call or you are making outbound calls, if the number is matched with any existing contact, then we can do the further actions. For example, to log the call because we are able to find the contact now. But there's some case of, for example, if I change the phone number here to some other format, all right? So this one I think is commonly used by a lot of people. Yep, so this looks different as what I just described as like +1 then the actual number. So this one is the standard format, but this one, yeah, it's not. So it's got a bit of problem finding the actual contact. Let's make a phone call again.
Thank you for calling.
Okay, now it's showing numbers instead of names. That means it doesn't find the associated contact by this number. All right, if I click call log, it will show, okay, this cannot be found. There is a workaround. So for example, you have already some contacts with this kind of number format in your in Clio already. So you can go to here, right click on the icon and go to options. All right, so there is a overriding phone number format where we here have this kind of format. So let's just go with using a star to basically represent a number, and that is, so this is the format that's matching with this number, and then we click save, reload the extension, and now it's recognized. All right, and let's test node 2. Now we're able to save it. The result is here. All right, so there are up to 3 overriding format you can fill in. Yep, so that's basically to solve the problem of it can only do exact matching, like for phone numbers. All right, then one last thing is if you have this extension installed, if you have a mouse hover on any number, there's actually a little pop-up that you can call with the extension directly by pressing this button here, and it just makes the call.
Thank you.
Cool. And that's pretty much it. And also there are some other more settings here which you can try, and it's pretty self-explanatory by the description here.